Meaning of Elisabeth Frink.
Elisabeth Frink.
Elisabeth Frink.
Elisabeth Frink.
Elisabeth Frink. Elisabeth Frink, 1930 to 1993, was an English sculptor and printmaker known for her stylized depictions of humans and animals. Her works often explored themes of power, vulnerability, and identity. Frink is considered to be one of the most important British artists of the 20th century, having been awarded numerous accolades during her lifetime. Her sculptures can be found in public spaces all over the world, including in London, New York, and Sydney. Frink's legacy continues to influence contemporary art, particularly in the United Kingdom where she remains a celebrated figure.